In this problem, we're going to have to do some calculations with this 95 kilometer per hour velocity or speed that's given to us by the problem. This is the speed that the car or that you're moving at while you're driving. The problem with this is that since we're asked to do a calculation with this 95 kilometers per hour in relation to 2.0 seconds, our units are inconsistent with one another. So we'll have to perform a unit conversion to convert this into units that we're more familiar with so that the units can line up nicely. Let's rewrite 95 kilometers per hour in units of meters per second, since those are the most common dimensions for speed. Let's do a chain link conversion with this. And the first step is to convert from kilometers per meters. And to do that, we'll have to know that there are 1,000 meters in 1 kilometer. So I'll put the kilometer in the denominator so that it cancels out with the kilometer in the numerator up here. And there are 1,000 meters in 1 kilometer. This is our first conversion factor. And the second one will have to be related to time. So the hour is in the denominator here. So I'll put 1 hour in the numerator so that that cancels out. And in 1 hour there are 3,600 seconds. So when we make this calculation, we find that the car is moving at a speed of about 26.389 meters per second. Your calculator will actually give a more precise number than this. So if you want extra precision in your final answer, save that number in your calculator for later. But anyways, as for the math that will be needed for this problem, we need to figure out how far the car is going to travel during a 2-second period. So we can first consider the formula for speed, which tells us that the speed is going to be equal to some change in distance divided by a change in time. Since we want to find a distance here, a distance traveled, we'll want to rewrite this formula to solve it for delta x. And we can do that, we can get delta x on its own by multiplying both sides of this equation by delta t, so that the delta t's cancel out, and we're left with a formula telling us that delta x is equal to the traveled time multiplied by the speed that the car is traveling at. Now, with this simple formula, we can plug in the values that we have. For time, that'll be 2.0 seconds, and then for speed, that'll be what we calculated above. Though if you're doing this in a calculator, once again, it is best to simply do whatever your calculator's process is for pasting in a number you had calculated previously. Either way, if you do this, then you'll get an answer of about 53 meters. So that is about how far the car travels while you're looking away for just that 1 2-second period. And that is all for this problem. I hope this video helped you out. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to leave a comment down below, and I'll do my best to help you out. I have a link to a Discord server in the description where you can join and ask questions if you have further questions or if you'd like to make a request for a future video. But that is all for this video. Thank you and good night.